Hello everybody, AAA Gaming here, and today I'm doing a video that's a little bit different. I'm doing a news video for FNAF AR, and after the news I will be showing you all workshop animations and my entire completed workshop. So I do hope you enjoy this video, but let's move on to the news part. A few days ago, Illumix, the company behind FNAF AR, posted this on Reddit of what's to come into the future of FNAF AR, like what's going to be coming out for the rest of summer. So here, I'm going to read it to you. I'm going to have it up here if you want to read it for yourself. But anyway, it says, "Hello all, our team here at Illumix continues to work tirelessly to make FNAF AR the best it can be for you all. We wanted to make sure to keep it real by letting you all know all the fun that's in store for the rest of the summer. First off, the current event is drawing to a close next Tuesday, so don't forget to redeem your event gifts and check out FIREWORK, FREDDY, and Liberty CHICA. We heard that a certain cupcake situation has been a bit toasty. We are taking this week to catch our breath as we head into the end of July and August, so Liberty CHICA is the last skin to round out this event. But wait, that's not all. Here's the most exciting news. Someone's on their way. Next week, we're not toying around. A character will be returning to FNAF AR and will be here to stay. Any guesses? Now, my guesses on this new character that we've already seen before that's going to be coming back is Toy Bonnie, because as you probably know, he was teased in the Easter event. Like at the end of the Easter event, there was a teaser image and he was in the shop window. But anyway, we're moving on. As July ends and August kicks off, we'll also be turning up the temperature with some new skins. We hope you'll be able to handle the heat. Now, this is exciting because I feel like they're going to end up doing like a melted Freddy FROSTBEAR skin for Freddy FROSTBEAR for summer, which will be really cool if they do so. It'll kind of be like a melted popsicle with the endo being the popsicle stick. But anyway, moving on, rest assured that the end of August will be deeply awesome. A new character will be coming to FNAF AR as well as the first of the major gameplay updates that we're excited to roll out. Now that's a new character. A new character. Not just a skin. A new character. And it says it's the first of the major gameplay updates that they're excited to roll out. So they already have a few major updates, apparently, adding new characters prepared. Like pre-prepared, like they're working on them right now. Which, I'm really excited for this because I've been waiting for a new character with a new CPU for a really long time. Like, the last one we got was Mangle, unless you count 8-Bit Baby, but 8-Bit Baby's not really new. She just kind of has different sound effects than Circus Baby. But anyway, on to the final point. Keep cool all. It's really all of our encouragement and love that keeps us motivated to build this game, even with the significant challenges of COVID. And we're always delighted to read your messages. They certainly make us smile on the regular. So, that is the FNAF AR news we got. So, a new character, Toy Bonnie, most likely Toy Bonnie, coming out next week, which I will be doing a video on that, by the way. I'll probably do a streak video, not 100 streak, but like just natural animatronics. And, whenever this new character comes out and these new skins, I will gladly do a video on these new skins and new character. But as always, I'm going to be here to be recording all these FNAF AR updates. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to have fun during summer. I know COVID's been striking a little hard lately. And it's been hitting us all, unfortunately. Big strike to people's morale, you know. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing okay in these times. And as always, goodbye.